students, in this chapter special products and factorization, we have already done some applications of a plus b whole square, a minus b whole square, and in the last video we have done some applications related to a plus b into a minus b is equals to a square minus b square. So today's video is going to be about the fourth objective, that is applications of a square minus b square is equals to a plus b into a minus b. So let's get started. So let's have our first example. Let's read the statement first. Evaluate each of the following using a plus b into a minus b is equals to a square minus b square. So students, let's have the first statement, that is 15 into 5. Now here we are having number that is 15 into 5, right? So we have to apply this formula on this given statement. Now how can we apply this formula on this statement? See, we have to break this number in the form of a plus b so that we will get the values of a and b. So 15 can be obtained by adding two numbers or by subtracting two numbers, right? So we can get here a plus b form as 10 plus 5. If we will add 10 and 5, we will get 15, right? Next one is two numbers, by subtracting them we will get 5, that is 10 minus 5. The same number we will take, right? So 10 plus 5 is 15 and 10 minus 5 will be 5, right? So if you will compare this with the given formula, so this is in the form of a plus b into a minus b. So here we can apply the formula. So we will write it on the right hand side. A plus b into a minus b is equals to a square minus b square, right? Where a is equals to what? A is equals to 10 and b is equals to 5, right? Now a plus b into a minus b is equals to a square minus b square. So a square means 10 square, minus will remain minus, b square means 5 square. So 10 square means 100, minus 5 square means 25, and 100 minus 25 will be equals to 75. Alright. Now let's move to the next example. So here is the second statement, 5.2 into 6.8, right? Now we have to break this statement into two numbers so that we will get this form, that is a plus b into a minus b. Alright. So here we are having two numbers like 6 minus 0.8. If we will subtract these two numbers, so we will get 5.2. So we will take here 6 minus 0.8 into 6 plus 0.8. The same number we have to take. So when we will add 6 plus 0.8, then we will get 6.8, right? Now if we will compare this with the given formula, so here we will get a plus b into a minus b. So here student, you can see I have written here 6 minus 0.8 at first place and this one, that is 6 plus 0.8 at the second place. So that doesn't affect the formula. The formula will remain same. A plus b into a minus b is equals to a square minus b square, right? So a is equals to 6 and b is equals to 0.8. Now we will apply this formula over here. A square means 6 square, minus will remain minus, b square means 0.8 square, right? So square of 6 will be 36, minus will remain minus, 0.8 square means 0.64. And when we will subtract them, we will get the answer as 35.36, right? Now let's have another example. Here is a statement, evaluate. And the statement is 21 square minus 19 square. Now student, you can see that here again numbers have been given to us with their squares, right? So if we will compare this given statement with this, so we will have a square minus b square. So that means this statement is in the form of a square minus b square. And we know the formula for a square minus b square, which is equals to a plus b into a minus b. So here we are given with a, that is 21, and b as 19, right? So we will apply this formula over here. A plus b means 21 plus 19 in one bracket, and in another bracket a minus b, that is 21 minus 19. So when we will add them, we will get 40 into There is no sign between these two brackets. That means there is a sign of multiplication. And 21 minus 19 will be 2. So 40 into 2 will be 80. So here we got the answer. Right? Now let's take the another example. Now here the statement is 4.2 square minus 3.8 square. Now again, if we will compare this with this formula, so here we will get a square minus b square, because this statement is in form of a square minus b square, which is equals to a plus b into a minus b, where a is equals to 4.2 and b is equals to 3.8. Right? Now apply this formula over here. That is a plus b will be 4.2 plus 3.8 in one bracket, and a minus b means 4.2 minus 3.8 in another bracket. Now when we will add them, we will get here 8. There is no sign between these two brackets. That means multiplication sign will be there. And 4.2 minus 3.8 will be 0.4. So when we will add them, we will get here 3.2. So that is the answer for this statement. Right? So students, these examples were very easy. Now I hope all of you are able to do the related homework that we have sent you in your SNAP homework. Thank you.